The next feature we have is daily record feature, which is subdivided into three distinct subsections: routine, homework, and leave. Let's get familiar with each one of them. The first subsection under daily record is routine. This is where teacher can add routine and students can view it. You can see various options such as add routine, view weekly routine, and view teacher routine. To add a routine, click on to add routine option. You will be prompted with various spaces to fill out such as shift, teacher, class, section, subject, period, and finally day. Once you have filled out every details, make sure you save it. This is how a routine can be successfully added. Next up we have is the homework feature. This functionality enables students to input homework assignments and teachers to review and add them. You will by clicking on add homework, you can add a homework. You will be presented with various fields to fill in. Start by selecting the shift, then choose teacher, class, subject, section, and date. Input the homework details in the provided space. Upon completion of these fields, save it. This feature also allows students to efficiently manage their assignments while teachers can conveniently monitor the homework tasks. The final subsection under daily record is leave. This feature allows users to apply for leave in a few simple steps. Let's walk through the process. Click on to add leave option. Fill in the necessary details such as selecting shift, selecting teacher, starting date of the leave and ending date for the leave. Also, you can see the space to write an application for leave. Once you have filled out all the information, click save option. Now after filling out every details, you have successfully applied for the leave. The next section we are going to explore is exam. This section is further divided into 7 subsections. Let's get familiar with each one of them. The first subsection under exam is grade. This is where you can assign grades to the students. Let's see how to do it. Go to add grade. You will see several topics to fill in. Start by entering the grade name such as A plus, B, C. For this purpose of demonstration, I am adding grade name A. Enter minimum percentage. Enter maximum percentage. Enter minimum grade point. Now maximum grade point. Finally remarks. After ensuring all the fields are accurately filled out, select save. You have successfully added a grade. This feature makes grading efficient and organized. The next subsection is exam. This is where you can schedule exams. I will demonstrate how to do it. Click on add exam. Start by entering the name of the exam such as first term, second term, pre-board and so on. Click the starting date of the exam and ending date for the exam. Once you have all filled out all the details, make sure you save it.